Today I'm going to show you all a dish. It's one of the dishes that I would have grown up seeing my grandmother make. Very inexpensive dish, but nevertheless tasty the same. It's kind of a play on split freeze rice, but we add in saltfish, so it's going to make saltfish rice. So we're going to start with sauteing or chunking our ingredients first. We're going to start with oil, 3 tablespoons, onions, 3 tablespoons, pimento, 3 tablespoons, garlic, 3 tablespoons, let the ingredients caramelize a little bit first before we add anything else. Right, now we're going to add our salt fish, 1 pound. Our rice, 4 cups. Our split peas, which have been pre-boiled from before, so it's already soft. Pimentos, 3 tablespoons. Garlic, 3 tablespoons. Chadon Beni, 3 tablespoons. Onion, 3 tablespoons. One hot pepper. Chive, 3 tablespoons. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. We're going to add some salt to taste. Remember, it's saltfish. The salt is solely based on your preference, whether you like it a little salty or less salty, because we have to bear in mind that it is saltfish, which already has salt in it. So you want to not add too much, but add just a little bit to compensate for the rice. Going to add some thyme, 2 tablespoons. 4 cloves. Remember to look for the clove when you're eating. When you buy the one cloves, they don't taste too good. 1 bay leaf. Pumpkin, 4 ounces. We're going to add the water, just enough to cover. The rice. We give a stir, and we are allowed to cook just for about 15 minutes. It's generally for the rice to cook or become tender, because the saltfish is already done, and pumpkin, it doesn't take too long to cook.